where I personally think it's good to see our political leaders go and empathize with the family. Whether it's Rahul Gandhi, Arvind Kejriwal, Brinda Karat, whoever goes there, Adesh Gupta of the BJP, whoever wants to go there, should go and empathize with the family to ensure justice. The point sometimes which is made is that when a rape occurs, let's say in a Congress-ruled state, do local congressmen show the same outrage? If it occurs in a BJP-ruled state, do BJP politicians show the same outrage? That we need to recognize that these are heinous crimes that rise above all partisan political divides. As the head of the All India Mahila Congress, do you believe that politicians recognize that?
Rajdeep, I think doesn't matter whose government is there and which party is in power. When a rape happens, like my colleague said, that it is a heinous crime. And I think as a society, we all have to fight it. I remember in 2012, when the Nirbhaya case happened, it was not just a political issue. I mean, common people of Delhi took to the streets, if I remember correctly. And I don't think any politician should treat rape differently when it comes to a state where their government is there and comes to another state where their government is not there. Any politician is, after all, a social activist who must show their empathy and fight for their rights if there's been any injustice. But what I would like to say is that how many times are we going to debate the same thing? I said what we need to do is, the Verma committee is one of the most comprehensive committees reports that was actually laid down by the Verma committee report. And I'm sad to say that irrespective of which government has been in power and not, many of the recommendations are still yet to be implemented. That's what we need to focus on. Police reform, police sensitivity, education at the education level, making them gender sensitization. Those are the things that every government needs to
Can I ask you though, ma'am, a direct question? That if this minor girl, I know Lalita Kumaramangalam objected to my referring to her caste, that she came from a Dalit community. I want a straight answer to this. If she was not from the Dalit community, would you all show the same outrage, the political outrage, as I said, the empathy? Are we very clear? Are we very, very clear that whether the girl belongs to an upper caste urban family or a poor rural Dalit family, the crime is the same, which deserves exemplary punishment, and politicians must outrage?
You see, any woman who's violated, or any young child who's violated the way this child has been, I don't think her caste should play a role. And, I just want to say, Rajdeep, I remember just after 2019 elections were over and results were not out, there was a gang rape in Alwar, and Ashok Gehlotji's government was there. And Rahul Gandhi flew down. It was the 16th of May. It was his state. His government, his party government was there. So it should not be partisan. It definitely should not be politicized. But to show empathy, I don't think there's anything ethically wrong with it. And whatever the caste of the victim or the perpetrator should not play a role. But the fact is, when a girl comes from a certain community which has special protection under the Atrocities Act, they have special rights and they have the right to invoke it. Whether we like it or not, that act prevails in this